please watch your children. Please take small children by the hand and watch your step onto the moving platform. The platform is moving at the same speed as your time machine vehicle. Please take small children by the hand and watch your step onto the moving platform. The platform and your time machine vehicle are moving at equal speed and close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina de tiempo.
Remain seated, hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la máquina del tiempo. Cuiden a los pequeñitos. Gracias.
The sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and...
During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily.
Recording our knowledge on cave walls. There was only one small problem. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. Here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. Our spaceship Earth.
Attention, you are now rotating backward. We are returning to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating
advances we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom-made just for you. Ready? And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. In the future, the country will be a great place to work. Innovative office buildings will be user-rich environments, outfitted with global networking and the latest digital tools to turn your dreams into reality. Need to be somewhere? No problem. Just pack up and go. You've been able to keep working on a computer train that runs on magnetic force. Since using your best thinking alone, you can bring the virtual tools with you to work while you commute. There's just super high-speed networks that turn your vehicle into a mobile office. Who knew that board meetings could be such a blast? Great job, but you want to live, so technology will help you live better, like wireless technology that brings the news while you're at the beach. This just in, it looks like it's going to be a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future. Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.
Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow. You guys go back.